Hi Crypto Peeps, hope you're doing well. Today's date is 25th of January 2023. And what an interesting week we've had. Bitcoin has had a little bit of a run. It went up from around about 17k over the last week and a half to round about just over $23,000. It's back down a little bit as of today. I'm looking at it right now on my chart here and it's $22,663. But still moving quite strong. The sentiment is really positive out there at the moment. So with that, let's get straight to the news, shall we? Let's see what we got for you this week. Not a huge amount of news, if I'm honest with you. I don't know why, it's just a bit of a slow week, but well, I'll have a look anyway. The first thing here is for the American people out there. The IRS clarifies crypto question on the tax form. Tax professionals who have begun working on their clients' tax returns this year are encountering a slight change in wording at the top of Form 1040. When it comes to declaring whether taxpayers bought or sold any cryptocurrency last year. The IRS decided to change the term virtual currency to digital asset this year, so it could include more than just cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but it could also then include non-fungible tokens and stable coins. There's a bit more detail on that if that one interests you. Obviously it's US based, so have a look at that and, be wary out there. The next piece of news here is on Bitcoinist, and it's Shiba Inu kicks off 2023 with a 50% rally, and it becomes Ethereum's favorite. Shiba Inu has been one of the best performers out of the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. The meme coin started 2023 with a bang, rallying with the entire crypto market, but also clocking in some independent gains due to anticipation around Shiba Inu and general bullishness in the market. Ethereum whales have once again pitched their tents with the meme coin, accumulating trillions of tokens in the last couple of months. This has brought Shiba Inu back into the glory days of being the largest token holding by dollar value for the top 100 ETH whales. Currently, they hold over 608 million worth of SHIB, and SHIB also registers as the most traded token by these whales in the past 24 hours. There's some details over that there. It goes on to say here, Shiba Inu's price is already up more than 50% in the last 3 weeks, but there still could be more runway for the digital asset. One factor that could contribute greatly to such an increase is the launch of Shiba Inu, a layer 2 blockchain which is currently the most anticipated release in the community. So it seems like that one has a bit of time and a bit of room to run, to be honest. It's an interesting coin. I heard a few bits of it myself, and I'm going to be keeping a close eye on it lately. It's a really popular community token, so have a look at that one if you haven't got it, and if you have got it, positive news for you. Okay, again on the Bitcoiners here, following massive investment by Microsoft, this is the top 10 AI cryptos for 2023. Now you'd have to be hiding under a stone if you hadn't seen all the public information videos, TikTok, people talking about ChatGPT out there at the moment, and the other AIs like Midjourney and Wally and all that kind of stuff, DALL-E, and everything else. It's absolutely fantastic what's happening out there in the AI space, and it's going to change huge amounts of every industry over the next 5 to 10 years. So really look into this. And there's if any of the coins out there, which is showing right here, are investing and using AI technologies, they're going to be something to invest in. So have a look at this here. Microsoft has made a big bet on a nascent factor, artificial intelligence, that could shape the future of tech and the crypto industry for years to come. Microsoft confirmed its plan to pour millions of dollars into capital into OpenAI, the company behind popular program ChatGPT, DALL-E, and others. In the crypto industry, several projects are trying to leverage blockchain, big data, and artificial intelligence to provide new solutions. These projects are the ones to benefit in a future bull run. With a rising Bitcoin price and multi-billion-dollar investment from Microsoft that will attract other giants such as Google and Facebook, crypto AI is a potential sector to watch during the next year. According to the report, there are 10 cryptocurrencies attracting attention from users. The first of these projects is called Graph, a Coinbase-backed project that operates on an indexing protocol for querying networks such as Ethereum and IPFS. In addition to the graph, Aeon or AION and Fetch AI have seen a spike in search volume. They're going to say here, other tokens to watch in 2023 that are AI related. It also noted Cortex, Covalent, Measurable Data Token, Parsec, Pool2Call, Examon, and Syndicator due to their Google global search volume. In addition to these projects, Singularity Network is catching the crypto community's attention. So have a look at that. Have a look what's happening with AI if you haven't looked at it yet, especially all the amazing things that ChatGPT can do, Midjourney can do, DALL-E, and all these amazing AIs that have emerged literally over the last 12 to 18 months. It's absolutely fantastic. I think we're on the event of a new event horizon with all this. Everything's going to change. Absolutely amazing. And if everything's going to change, cryptos can follow it. And if cryptos are taking advantage of this, they are going to be ones to watch. Next one here, again on Bitcoin. There's lots of news from them this week. Crypto wallets on the crosshair of major banks as they take on PayPal and Apple Pay. The major US banks, including Bank of America, JP Morgan, Chase, and Wells Fargo, are planning to introduce a new system that uses digital wallet linked to customer credit cards and debit cards. The plan is slated to start rolling out in the second half of 2023. According to Wall Street, these major banks are reportedly preparing to launch a digital wallet that enables online shopping links with debit and credit cards to compete with the likes of PayPal and Apple Pay. The banks are collaborating with money transfer server Zelle to establish a separate digital wallet system that uses the digital wallet. Anonymous sources stated that the new digital wallet is planned to compete with Apple Pay and PayPal, and the banks intend to develop the wallet to prevent banking customer relationships with big techs like Apple, PayPal, and others. The key word there is to prevent. The big banks are worried. They want to step in. Have a look at this. There's lots more on that. I've only gone a little bit into it. With all the news that I'm reading out today, it's only snippets I'm reading here, bites of news. All the major details are in the links down below, so check those out. Have a look for yourself. Another piece of news here on Cryptopolitan. How to file crypto taxes, easy guide for beginners in 2023. Now this is for you US-based people here. It's got some details here. I'm not really going to go through this for you here, but it's got a really interesting guide there. I did read through it, showing you how to do it, what it all means, all the wording and everything. It's fantastic, very in-depth. It even shows you every part of the form you need to fill out. So have a look at that if that affects you in any way. Great resource there. Have a look at it. On the Markets Insider here today, this is a good piece of information. The crypto market breaks above 1 trillion for the first time since FTX's collapse, with Bitcoin set for its best month since October 2021. So Bitcoin is up almost 40% in January and is set for the best month since October 21. Investors are warming to the risk assets as cooling inflation fuels hopes for the Fed to pull back on rate hikes. The crypto market is now valued at more than $1 trillion for the first time since the collapse of FTX in November, signaling a strong rebound in investor confidence even as the industry faces headwinds. Bitcoin, the world's largest crypto, hit a 5-month high above 23,000 over the weekend and is up almost 40% in January. On course for the best month since October 21, the total market cap of virtual currencies declined by almost 250 billion so far in January. It reflects a U-turn in sentiment after a dismal 2022. So that's some great news there. So that's pretty much it on the paper news I have today. As I said, it's a bit scant this week, but Bitcoin has been doing well, which has been dragging out the other coins and the altcoins. And as I said there, look into the AI coins. It's the future. Okay, so we have two pieces of video-based news. Please use YouTube and TikTok as a resource for getting your information. Use every source out there, compare all the information before you make any decisions on what you're going to invest in and stuff. The first great piece of video here is on a favourite of mine. I subscribe to these, Coin Bureau. They put out several pieces of information every week. Absolutely fantastic content. And this one's called Crypto News, and it's general news really about all the cryptos. And it's about Ethereum, Aptos, the Bitcoin rally, about Genesis and what's happening with them and their problems, and a lot more. So that goes on for around about 26 minutes. Fantastic resource. Have a look at that one. The next video I have here is Altcoin Daily. As with the name, daily, they put out daily content. Fantastic information on all different kinds of things to do with cryptos. Very good. Have a look at this. This one's called The Crypto Bear Market is About to End and Why the Next 12 Days Are Vital. So that's general information as well, but always a good resource. So that's pretty much it for the news this week. As I said, not a lot in there, but things are happening. Things are positive. It's a lot more positive now than the cold winter of last year. Check out the links below. Also, subscribe, leave a comment. It all helps us. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for subscribing. Have a great week, but be careful out there. Namaste. See you soon.